How to start a group call in Wire Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and wondering how to start a group call, then here is how you do it. First of all, open the Wire Messenger app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Go to the group conversation where you want to start the call, and once you're inside, tap on the video call icon at the top right corner to start the group call. Remember, in order to start a group call, you need to go ahead and subscribe to the paid version of Wire. The conference call or the group call option is only available in the paid version, so if you have that, you can make a video call or an audio call with your group immediately. So that is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.